Today's video, we're going to go over how to create an application in Zoho Creator of a JSON file. So as you already know, JSON, a format, it's like a database structure that everybody's very familiar with. But in this case, we're going to showcase how creating an application with the assistance of Zia, which is Zoho's AI model, and it's actually powered by OpenAI. So if I click, for example, in this case, create an application, all you need to do is paste your JSON file, and it can generate use cases for you. So for example, in this case, the use case is music player, volume, current song, and next song provider. If we click create generate application, the system will automatically create the app that we can actually interact with in Zoho Creator. So this is how easy it is to create an application for an online database in Zoho Creator. So as you can see, I have current songs, next songs. I can just click create, and the system is going to automatically create the information for us. Access the application, music player, and ta-da! We have volume control reports, current song information. Here is the data, and we can obviously add in a record if we choose to, band name, song name, the timestamp, and new song. This is a next song preview. So as you can see, all you need is you get your JSON file, and then you utilize Zia, which is powered by OpenAI, to create an application in Zoho Creator, and it does the design and the structure for you. So I hope you like this hack that you can utilize to build applications and test your processes faster. So if you're already working with a database and you have it in a JSON format, you can quickly test how easy it is to use Zoho Creator to build new applications and test new processes within your organization faster. Let me know if you have any questions.